Alright, so the next one up is 2014 Panini Absolute. Again, this one's going to be one pack. 10 cards, I think. 3 autos and 2 jerseys, or 2 autos and 3 jerseys. I think there's 5 hits. Just one pack. Empty box. And they do like wasting a lot of packaging on Absolute. Alright, 2014 Panini Absolute. Should have 5 hits. Let me check the back, see where the hits end. Alright. Kid Reporter card. I think I got the base cards off the back. We'll start it off with an insert for the Colts. Andrew Luck, Trent Richardson, Hakeem Nicks, and Reggie Wayne. Quad insert for the Colts. That is not numbered. Have a Hog Heaven for the Bills. C.J. Spiller. C.J. Spiller for the Bills. Not numbered again. Base card on the front is Geno Smith for the Jets. Geno Smith. Got a rookie next for the Vikings, Scott Crichton. Scott Crichton for the Vikings. Not numbered. Got another rookie. This one is numbered though. Nice one. Nice and low numbered. Bishop Sankey, number 21 out of 25 for the Titans. Bishop Sankey out of 25. And I think the hits are going to start next. And the first one's going to be a nice one. I was hoping for some ink. Nice patch though. For the Bills, Sammy Watkins. Saw the player, was hoping for ink, but still a nice patch. That one, 70 of 199 for the Bills. Sammy Watkins. Nice one. Next one is another nice one. Just a jersey again. For the Panthers, Kelvin Benjamin. Quad jersey. This one's out of 249. 249 for the Panthers. Kelvin Benjamin. A couple nice jersey cards, and hopefully, I was hoping for some ink again. Another nice player though, Brandon Cooks. Excuse me, 6-way jersey. This one's out of 249. Brandon Cooks for the Saints. Had a good week 1. Probably have a good season too. Brandon Cooks out of 249 for the Saints. Now the autos should be here. And that is, oh nice. For the Seahawks, Christine Michael. Numbered 2 out of 20. I think that's a purple parallel. Christine Michael for the Seahawks. 2 out of 20. Nice. And the next one, jersey. I think we got a bonus hit. For the Bills, Robert Woods. Single color jersey. Numbered out of 249. Because this is the 4th jersey out of the box. And there's still one more card left. So we did get a bonus hit. Robert Woods for the Bills out of 249 jersey. And the last one. Nice for the Jags. Allen Hurns. Allen Hurns for the Jags, numbered 16 out of 99. Nice box there, some big names.